8. Average is equal to? What's the formula for average? Combine to get what?
Divide by the number.
So it's the total divided by the number of
Things.
how many numbers, right? In this case,
Yeah.
so it's number of numbers, right?
Yes.
Right. So based on this formula,
Yeah.
you need to find out the total first. How do you find out total? From 40, 41, da 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 to 119. If did you bring your notes? What is our number pattern type 3?
It is so it's like plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Then
Yeah.
you combine the 4 plus 3 because it's plus something you skip.
Again. Oh no, that is not type 3. That's type 2 2.0. That one is still common difference, but alternate. That is common difference alternate. You are talking about that, right? Plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
That is common difference alternate. I'm talking about type 3. Nothing to do with common difference. You cannot recall? So what's the fifth one?
15.
Why?
Because
What's the pattern?
plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Okay? But okay, first, this is not common difference. And this is not n square. This is also not common difference alternate. That's why I say this is type 3. We definitely have talked about this. So how do you do type 3? If I give you figure 51, what are you going to do? What's figure 51?
6 o'clock.
No, 1 is 1, 2 is 1 plus 2, 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 51?
1 plus 1. It's 51. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 2 plus 55.
Yes.
And if
Then
you
how do you get the sum of this? I definitely have given you the formula. How do you get the sum of this? That is how you get the sum of this. Like I say, if you cannot relate, I cannot help you. Can you relate now? Over here is 1 plus 51, right? I give you the formula. So over here, same thing. Because in order to find the average, you need to get the total first, right? So over here, we have 1 plus 2 plus da 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 until 51. But over here, they don't start from 1. They start from 40 da 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 to 115. I mean 119, yes? Yes? So how do you get the sum of this? The sum of the sum of a consecutive numbers is first plus the last times the number of numbers divided by 2. Okay? So let's do this one first. What is the first one, right? Right? What's the last? Now the question is, how many numbers of numbers?
No. I mean, no. 51.
Why 51? Why not 50?
because 1 to 50, if you count the numbers 1 to 51 is 51 numbers.
Why 51? Why not 50? I thought a lot of students say 51 minus 1. So it's 50.
So to make it more
Yeah?
simpler,
Yeah.
1 plus 2,
Yeah?
then times
Yeah?
2 because there are two numbers, 1
Yeah.
and 2.
Yes? Very good. So you always use a simple example to do it on the spot so you can count confidently how many numbers are there. Understand? I think I taught you this way, right? I taught you this way, right? Like let's say 1 to 15. How do you decide whether you should use 15 minus 1 or you use 15 minus 1 plus 1? Give yourself just 1, 2, 3. Meaning what? Meaning give yourself 1, 2, 3. How many numbers are there? 3, right? How do you get 3? 3 minus 1. I mean the last one minus the first one plus what another one. Understand? So similarly, 51 minus the 1 is 50, right? Right? But you still add one more to get the numbers of numbers. So in this case, it's 51, right? Am I right?
Yes.
So let's use your calculator, then you will get the sum of this. Then that will give you the no need. That will give you the value for the 51st figure
Yes.
for this number pattern. But now we are not talking about number pattern, right?
Yes.
But we can relate this to this. How? What is the first number here?
40
Very good.
plus 1.
Yes. Divided by 2, right?
Yes.
And the number is this?
80.
119 minus the 40 plus the 1, right?
Oh, 119.
Am I right?
The 80.
Is it 80?
Yes.
Yes. Yep. So that's how you get it, right? And that will give you the total, right?
Yes.
Can you see the total? You get the total already. Now you need to divide by the. I'm going to erase this. So you can get the total. Then you just. This is the total, ah. Then you divide by the number of numbers, right?
Yeah.
Number of numbers is given by 119 minus the first one plus the 1, right? Yeah. So that will give you the number of numbers. And in the end, you get the average. Simple?